Inspired by a love letter to Italian artistry and Parisian maximalism, this home is a vibrant masterpiece where the pink and green palette reigns supreme. Every room reveals a stunning level of customization, from the living room's Crizu paper flower pendant light and curated vintage pieces to the bathroom's spectacular, custom-inlaid Italian marble mosaics. Get ready to see how one owner blended sophisticated colors, bold materiality, and collectible design into a uniquely fashionable interior. Starting with the exterior, this inviting three-story building, with its classic brick facade and charming archtop windows, evokes the timeless elegance of Parisian architecture, seamlessly blending a cozy, historical residential feel with a quaint ground-floor commercial space. Moving inside, the entryway detail features a substantial dark metal gate, opening to an interior finished with striking Italian marble, signaling its defining role throughout the design. Dominating the main floor, the living room is a maximalist, Parisian-inspired space dominated by a pink and green palette. It features a curated mix of vintage pieces, custom finishes like the textured pink sofa, and a delicate Crizu paper flower pendant light. A large mirror reflects the rich textures and complex tones, beautifully integrating a love letter to Italian artistry. Beyond the curated furnishings, the living room highlights the home's creative ethos with a bold, abstract mural integrating the pink and green palette. The fireplace wall reinforces this with a richly textured salmon pink treatment, dark marble, and a whimsical abstract mirrored wall sculpture, adding to the collectible art. Nearby, the powder room showcases Italian artistry with striking, expertly crafted marble on the vanity and backsplash. Continued pink walls and a custom dark cabinet create a richly textural and colorful space. Transitioning to the kitchen. Shifting to a muted greenish-gray, this kitchen/dining space features dark green cabinetry, a stunning veined Italian marble counter/backsplash, herringbone wood flooring, and a small dining area with sculptural chairs. This dining area is then amplified by a large mirror reflecting patterned pink chairs, a sculptural table, and a unique chandelier, emphasizing the owner's maximalist love of layered colors. From this vantage point, the full view reveals a magnificent, radiating ceiling pattern and the mix of muted greenish-gray walls, bold marble, and pink chairs that highlight the curated vintage design. Even a smaller table nearby maintains the seamless pink and green palette with its muted green top and pink-hued chair. Leading to the private spaces, the view down the hallway showcases elaborate design with walls covered in a colorful, abstract pattern and a highly decorative staircase railing. This layered approach ensures high attention to detail in every transitional space. On the upper floor, an archway leads to an intimate space with a complex, textural floral wallpaper and dominant pink tones, channeling Parisian maximalism and contrasted by a modern geometric pendant light. This striking wallpaper continues into the bedroom, where the pink and green palette creates a dramatic sanctuary, featuring an ornate reddish-pink wallpaper and a substantial deep green velvet tufted headboard. A dedicated dressing area further epitomizes the artful ethos, using multiple curved mirrors to reflect the floral pattern and deep pink/green tones, fusing vintage design with custom finishes. The primary ensuite bathroom is a highly custom space that showcases bold materiality with steps of classic mosaic tiles, a dark, heavily veined marble wall featuring a wavy edge, and a unique, curved pink console, merging Italian artistry with modern sculptural design. Within the ensuite, a detailed vanity area presents an opulent and intimate atmosphere, with a rich reddish-pink chest of drawers set against complex floral wallpaper and mirrored surrounds, continuing the layered colors. Adjacent to it, a stunning, highly customized shower fully embodies Italian artistry, featuring dramatic, richly veined marble with a spectacular inlaid seahorse mosaic, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship. Exploring another part of the home, another bedroom, featuring twin beds and arched windows, offers a softer, geometric design with a lighter pink scheme and a textural, patterned rug, channeling Parisian elegance. In contrast, a nearby bathroom vanity is defined by the bold materiality of the home, completely clad in a dramatic, highly textured pink-brown marble that underscores the stone's defining role. Finally, a third bedroom is a calming space prominently featuring the green side of the pink and green palette with muted sage walls, a patterned tile floor, and a woven headboard, retaining an artful nature in a softer interpretation. In sharp contrast, a dramatic bathroom is entirely covered in rich, deep green marble with striking veining, creating a luxurious feel.